Hello students, welcome to online lecture of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 3, subject maths, topic coins and currency notes. Children, in today's lecture, we will start a new chapter, that is coins and currency notes. In this chapter, we are going to study about money. Children, why do we need money? Whenever we go to a shop, we buy something in exchange of money. Children, when we buy something from a shop, we give money in return for that thing. So, we need money to buy things for us. In our country, we express money in terms of paise and rupees. Children, if the money is less than 1, we call it paise. And if the money is 1 or more than 1, we call it rupees. Children, paise is less than rupees. Money has two parts, coins and currency notes. Children, we can see in the pictures the coins and the currency notes both are called as money. All the coins and currency notes have different value. Children, all the coins and notes have different value, meaning they are of different amount. Different value of coins. Children, let us study about different value of coins or different amount of coins. The value of this coin is 25 paise. The value of this coin is 50 paise. The value of this coin is 1 rupee. The value of this coin is 2 rupee. The value of this coin is 5 rupee. The value of this coin is 10 rupee. Children, nowadays 25 paise coins and 50 paise coins do not exist. Different value of currency notes. Children, let us study about different value of notes or different amount of notes. The value of this note is 5 rupee. The value of this note is 10 rupee. The value of this note is 20 rupee. The value of this note is 50 rupee. The value of this note is 100 rupee. The value of this note is 200 rupee. The value of this note is 500 rupee. The value of this note is 2000 rupee. Counting the money. Children, now we will study how to count money. So let us begin. 5 rupee plus 5 rupee is 10 rupees. 10 rupees plus 5 rupee is 15 rupees. 15 rupees plus 2 rupee is 17 rupees. 17 rupees plus 1 rupee is 18 rupees. 18 rupees plus 1 rupee is 19 rupees. So here the total is 19 rupees. Next, 50 rupee plus 20 rupee is 70 rupees. 70 rupees plus 10 rupee is 80 rupees. 80 rupees plus 1 rupee is 81 rupees. 81 rupees plus 1 rupee is 82 rupees. 82 rupees plus 1 rupee is 83 rupees. So here the total is 83 rupees. Next, 500 rupee plus 200 rupee is 700 rupees. 700 rupees plus 50 rupee is 750 rupees. 750 rupees plus 5 rupee is 755 rupees. So here the total is 755 rupees. Can we give 170 rupees using 4 notes? Children, let us solve this question. Can we give 170 rupees using 4 notes? Yes. Let us first give 2 notes of 50 rupees, which makes 100 rupees. Now, if we give one more note of 50 rupee, the amount will become 150 rupees. Till now, we gave 150 rupees. To make it 170 rupees, only 20 rupees is left. So, let us give one note of 20 rupee, which makes 170 rupees. So children, we can give 3 notes of 50 rupees and 1 note of 20 rupees to make it 170 rupees. In this way, we have used 4 notes to make it 170 rupees. So this was all about your topic, coins and currency notes.